Hello, my name is Voya and welcome to My Deep Guide, and in today's video it's gonna be a short one and it's just a call to action from you guys to hear from you some of the opinions. The end of year is upon us and we've had quite an eventful 2025 year as far as ePaper devices are concerned. And this year I want to hear from you guys as well and collate your votes, your impressions, and I would like you guys to actually vote in the comments down below, and there's going to be a Discord chat as well, so you can go to Discord, go there, and there's going to be a thread so where you can actually vote for these devices with the goal to understand which are the best devices that you guys have voted for that have been released in 2025, and we're talking just about ePaper devices now. So which are the devices that are kind of covered in all of this? Well, it's most internationally widely available ePaper devices, and the devices can either be e-readers, e-notebooks, both, ePaper monitors, and things of that nature. When I say ePaper, I mostly mean electrophoretic displays, which means, for all intents and purposes, e-ink panels, but we do have some non-e-ink electrophoretic innovations this year coming out from Germany as well. So that's something that may be added to the vote polling list. It's not super popular, but it is meaningful. So we'll see if somebody will be voting for that as well. You can check out in the Discord list afterwards. But here are the main contenders. And of course, there's going to be maybe a little bit more that you can vote for in, as I said, in the Discord thread. But we, of course, have Amazon Kindle Scribe, and we have 3 new devices that have been announced. Now, some of them may come out in 2026, but they've all been announced now in 2025, and at the end of 2025 we should get the majority of them. So what are the 3 devices? Well, if you don't already know, new Kindle Scribe for 2025 is no longer just a refresh of a design. It's a brand new approach. You don't have the longer holding side. It's more a tablet unified margin around the screen. Thinner, lighter, larger screen, more power. It's now 11 inches and more power. We have the 3 versions, Color Soft, which is not a Kaleido 3 panel, but it's still going to use a CFA layer. So it remains to be seen what type of performance are we going to be able to see from that. That in itself is going to be exciting to see what Kaleido or what Amazon is going to be able to do with a CFA approach for color-based ePaper screens. And then we have the monochromatic versions, 2 of them, very interestingly. One of them is monochromatic with the front light and the other one is without the front light, which should allow for closer surface to screen distance. Pricing definitely varies, but it starts from around 420 something all the way up to above 500 bucks. So those are the Amazon Kindle devices that we have. Then we have the remarkable Paper Pro Move, which just came out a couple of months ago. We have Dasung Paperlike 103, which is a portable e-ink monitor. We have Paperlike 13K monitors. We have the Montblanc digital paper. And then we have a huge array of books devices that were released only in 2025. So those go with Go 7 Black, Go 7 White, Go 7 Color Gen 2, Note Max because it came out in January, Note Air 5C, and Palma 2 Pro, and also Books Mira Pro Color version. So quite a lot of devices coming out from books. One thing that I regret is that we don't have the availability of the Kindle Scribe just yet, because that potentially promises to be quite a good device. Although the updates that they're talking about in the platform leaning so heavily on AI intrusive kind of things to, that AI, which is not an AI, it's just bullcrap LLM that's borderline useless at this point because it's been trashed so much that it's absolutely horrendous. They're calling it AI to summarize your books and read all of your data and summarize all of your notebooks and stuff like that. Basically, privacy nightmare situation that is continuously connected to the giant that is Amazon behind all of that. And we've seen, a couple of weeks ago, what happens when Amazon service goes down a little bit. how big of a network that actually is underground. And that is the company that is behind a device that is now leaning heavily into, yes, acquiring and processing all of your data for your convenience, right? Nothing else. It's only your convenience and nothing else at all. Sure. But either way, those are most of the choices. You will be able to see the list of these devices in the description of this video as well, as a reminder, and then you can just kind of go in the comment and let me know which of the devices you would vote for as the best ePaper device that came out this year. Alternatively, you can also go to Discord, the link is in the description as well, and there you will be able to find a thread where you can cast your vote, as well as a really friendly community of ePaper lovers. Well, that I think is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, stay safe, stay healthy, and see you in the next video. Bye!